much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and a Too Much Multimedia College. If we say a band equipment apapa, a chair for a quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, a band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there. And then location at Abercrombie Park Junction. For number ne guasio, na wankasa frɛ. Na obi andada wa, na memo bi nkasa me frama. Wankasa frɛ, abati di.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
No candice said you are baby and a pabediti.
Wow, Shanamna. Willie, your my dear BB and MBA. I had a 7 up here, BD, a cup viral. I would order Johnny. You are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And here, Johnny pay fee. Mumina Johnny Park. Now, Hannah Johnny Papa walk. You were East Legon, Boundary Road, opposite the self-filling station.
For the General Overseer at the Emma Glorious Word Power Ministry International, ye Papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa. Ebusia Nensam no said the munim no, and a day Ukoko Piumu a year Accra Circuit Court 1. Just say, or Motina Nensam no eswo na womo ekeka ye ne chese ye papa or no ekwo Detective Chief Inspector Dennis ye tekwete womode ensem no kokko piemu ewo ewo ma womo ebro eswo no ye papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa ene ne mamienu mensa ofori na beche womo nyina plead not guilty ewo ye court wono mo na so kwadra womode ebo womo enyina enesem just womo ekoko tietia enkofo asundue ene ebiemu so womo di ewuo entrene ekoko ma obi na ebusiafo ensa no meka na ni nyina ejina konfo ba agrada ensemo a chese mo amu video bebe ko so ewo mayi mu ma mu nyina mu ye ebra ye papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa ekoko piemu ewo ni fie with ne nkwala ne bodyguards ne chese hoodlums a chese womo ekọ ye no ekoko ye akasa ena maba we sibra we si awo ye be ma ewura mu ame na membra na bebebo me ne ho nkro ne ba chese entre ne dodo na ena ekọ eso na no na chese womo edekọ adu ekoko ball no se de nsam no ekọ no kuko pie mu ewo court de dikan ema ye ma no bill na this time around on so wo kọ ye na chese wo pleading not guilty wo ne nkwada no enso so no na ene womo etena ensam no so ehwe mu no na ekọ akọba se ye Papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa ya sanso amani bill biem of 100,000 Ghana cedis for self recognized non self recognized bill a womo ede emanu ena ebiem so Michael Ofori ena beche enso so no womo so no ye ma womo the same 100,000 Ghana cedis bill with 2 sureties womo ebebe justify ye ede emanu na ebusuafo said the ensem no ekọ no womo tina so ma bill ni we no womo sa to ensem no ede ahye eda na bia ya womo de ensem no ekọ no na maganafo ehu ne se ndebi enoma bi enkoye asa womo nte enoma bi ase a chese womo edwen ho a nya de se womo ebo ebetimi ayeden adwoso ede ama womo ase siam no wo kasa de abusuafo ene chese ensem no womo ede etu ahyeda kwa kopiemu ewo November bosome ne da etosu edu an on the 10th of November 2021 ena chese wo maye o madwensem wansan so ememe piemu ewo Circuit Court 2 na chese womo na womo endi ensem no na de befiri mu ede abana ene se obeko jelo na ene se ye nenhu ebeto no na wanya ne tiri edidi mu de ni nyina ne ho ene befiri ede abana ye hwe ekwan a womo de ye papa yi efa so ya dodo na ne womo enya adwe ebinum so hu ne se ne kwan so eno na ye papa Mr. Ben Bruce ewa ha ye ne no ebo ede era ensem no eja mo akwa ba
ya me de
bibi abokode
I don't know if I will cram
yeda Kristo ase yenhwe ekwan a wo mode ye papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa efa so ka me ko yesa se papa no ho ye na hibi no pese wo mo ntwe ne mu age so wo mo stretching na mane hunu se wo sori age se nenu mo nsem wo ka no wo ma so mu nti wo mo edre no se de wo mo eye papa yi na akọ na abra na yese de na betimi aka de afa ho
be sure tie for ne obi ohwe
okay
a friend say eya na eniama bi wa menti ase minim say wakwaje bi a police bi girl say de yen because ne ekono eya ya sefem
okay
sabe beginning na lesson na mpese obi ye hu
okay
ye hu awie
okay
say yetimi che no kra ye hu lesson awie it is say nkrobo na ye bo afa ho no eya ados what dey say one man chat sheet
okay
what charge no one man chat sheet
okay
mo de na kokot say no masa ko prefer another 6 charges against him
aye
oba so ahwe bill amoma 100,000 eno kra de ono odim ba ne man so mo dem mo pese mo forso na mo dem mutum ti mo mo na ata eye sana I say what to ani na wo dey see obi so and for what reason are you achieving this because statements now pese wo ye no the fact that to me chain required into one day no you've already made that statement
okay
nia kan nyina no I say na say all time bia I say omo pese omo so good papa na so na ye hwe yie ba bia ye concept bible no say mo hwe yie na mo peja mo sa ewo medifo so enti ye hwe yie ba bia ye kon esa na ye twa no just say anu ya ye de o ya hwe yie a na ye de niam bia ene na ye say o ene na we in charge na wo kika wo boso asem o kira no the tables point 10 it's a police for no if a genuine thing no more ya no problem the law must take it to course but if obisu na we check na o ka say let's show him what we can do there then I'll say on authority say enough is enough
na won ne say ye Ghana for say dey be awo apostle for so nsem na say lawyer for so nsem ye ntem wan nsem bim na no na kwakwakowu na we dey wo mo bo mo hoden o mo homoden ama ye hunu say we dey wo mo so mo ama ye hunu so o mo tua dey kwakwakosi ase a eno susu ye ka wan na say ye sisi ye mbe so mbe ye adwuma bi mu ana
enya sa but how you been o ye no who say ye che ne no kra niam ye de ne kwoto your friends in the hospital onye am robber
okay
onye cream ye nim no papa we obi anim no Ghana ha what you say na even at the hospital nipo no na ye yi handcuff no obi aba order from above say some phantoms aden oh
say man na dey
no
system is not working
no and no ye guasie and no that thing
say yet wo man mu sorry am say na post for nya wo madwuma na mo so nsem na o makeka na ni wo mo ndomo nkwase say so mo ndomo akwase so mo say na ye too much na mo be so mbe ye o madwuma na
abia da when ye guasie when ye gu wani mase onye criminal onye armed robber sabin onye wanted man bia munya na munya what you say it's for you to go to that extent say or that sick bay what you say yare now handcuff done is son what are you trying to tell us well who patch here say nipa mo won say what a criminal bia na say cocaine wa go na say
the system is not working that
no system is not working it does not mean say go and disgrace somebody especially when the person has followers that they look up to what I say oh yeah they na do it in the confines of the law who say law the crown and permit to say police new kwachi obi a whatever no don't be the person but police for yes say is na say electricity or mobile feel na unja no mo the man I mean I want the law less way and answer way let's be reasonable we are civil people sabi ye nyanyan ne mo ha say egumura ma is ye kwase ade so tell me say it is a mo ya de na mo ma law no take sa bill ya man 100,000 na way what is this
say almost share ye open
1 billion it was 6 fresh charges and they be na esi ye kwo dia
mo threaten will be owo enti enu nti wo say na wo kan na na ni wu kran ba ye nyeska dia
me esa kwa na me charge ba woni ne ne ti ameka sa no sabe mama na ye no so kika asem onu so wan so born in training enti wo hwo mu kwa they are all guilty enti ade na ye super ba ko sa o ti na me ka sa agra na no ti ho no wa ye obi da what I say wa cancel onu de ni kwa ni kwa de hwe onu obunkofo
na wa cancel wa ye obi also obi antimi asun obi ani ni ti o
and obi ani ni ti asun the way the law is applied to people so I say because onu de ni kwa na criminal obi otimi bu nkofo o different nkofo e cancel more out civilize support say na mo de ne nam na mo twe no na mo twe na abresa why adai
say ne man na ko kan be kan say kwada o man ko fatu amontre ne say o mayi ukure to timi ku a
mami ka papa no on ne pulpit 70 he apologized.
Okay.
What I said, nyame cross it we boni na upemu kan or the child. It is for the apology alone of the man of his chest stature. No Gina Domini no it me apologize kwa. Esa mutimi cast oh any papa bia wonu ne ho. Wow, esa bi o ho asabe. Wo hwe no epani a ye fe kokuam. Wo bon kokko wa bonti obi e hu no. Papa say the line e ko biem. Ko so ko biem ma much me who say yeah no. Masa in every country there are some people that law no apply to them they know how to do it. Okay. Me can say don't let the law be applied on people, okay. But do it in what humane nature. And you to say be a good jungle. And so be in your pay.
Oh, catch up pay. Yeah, I think I say go be a cocoa na go cocoa patch or just think you will be there free.
Oh, there be
because e be to be patch over to and power no because o ye be na ni so tete no. Enti ano no patch one no so ye nyina.
There be o say ewiase ye mu di brew.
Okay.
Sabi ukọ prison kra na matete to say baby the politicians no egu no different from baby a kofo ebom se sardine no ewiase ye mu di brew even heaven ya say metna bonsam mu na ebi metna adot dem it heaven kra no ye mu di brew sa na nyame bo no wotimi nka se ewiase obi ayepe obi anyepe what dey say ye nyina nipa de ba ye mu ye wo chinye ye say ayefo chinye ebi bi echi what dey say enti nia wa ye no me nka se wo be mefo aso Banyamu no as if say or a hardened criminal. Meanwhile, politicians you be akodi 4 billion, 5 million. What the number? One year she walk on that physical cry yes in the tia. And I say you buy. Oh, what I say? And I just say almost 30 class before, certain kind of way people. That's not the way to go. And then me can't say.
Now as I say no just one more one more say then one more form of passport in Namra said the bay and don't bet me to coin the bios every 2 weeks biano one more embra a year police station report say one more emfa any day enche. Now Ocean say through all the charges or their bomb still one just so many guilty. Now yes to some asadia asha eda November 10th. November 10th, Ebebano. Osha send a nyoma besi ako because then him saying 5th October idea and a nyoma nyine besi wo hono man ke yenti bibia bimu. As they say yasa the charges with Brahman and yasa money bill of 100,000. November could it be say yasa another charges abono as a man another bill and answer them.
Say na me say ekwa minim so akodi police ni girlfriend and she ohwehwemu ye. E bia no akwa police ni bi mpena bi na and police ni bi no say dia minim because no mo ye no I say nkro no mo bo. Okay. What I say? Say when him said the man is guilty, go according to the law and wait. Mundi assembly. Then cobra. No agent passport. Papa we odwane akoni. Odwane sorry kakraka we. Na odwane akoni. Oh, I dey be one my common sense should tell you say where you are heading to it's not the best.
It's not the best.
But say no ye jai ye ho except ye say near ye nwe papa because no mu ye maintain here. Papa naba charges now more preferred. Why did you even change it?
Change it, okay.
What I say? And I'm changing bill terms. No, oh, I said, what should I say? Yeah, papa, ya miano, and ya baby. Papa, the talk baby.
Your name no say no who say yeah papa then I went on ye and for finance me and then and muntu no betime to e dey charge no because e dey normal ekoyi e dey yeah nka dodo na nim say ke bia nka mpp amanyoko no e betime aboa no ana wunji ndi krampo say ba wo ba abonte be ka say ya just afọ ni dey free osuno kokroko nsem no na ama say no ma asesa ma
ono so e so no ankasa wo no so no ankasa ya do kom kakra na wusa yi oh na dey na make catch say sometimes our transits so yeah what I say there be ya yet to say yeah kanya michimpo we ya den kanya michimpo what I say Moses Christ say be ohu nyame face to face to gra when timi an kanya michimpo because nyame nyo bia because ya yo bibi nti no ono be sesa na no okay o say me masam ne ba say ya ne say ya ansa na ba but what are we seeing say obeka say because ya chi watu on that note there me there me but say no so nti no mo ye ne sa so there ne almost so me can say so because say asem we be friends prediction them guys say me come to be predict here to 2020
any him say dem so abato dey we call for
we pana we it when we bia when na wo hwe man na say dey call ne say ne niam aye na call so mahama babiam bia ye de be ma no enu ti na omo yesa but the thing is it's a fact
okay
why abonia let the law take its course but in a humane way maninya se emra no edi emra ni na edi obuo be mani pasu no ba men ye se emra no edi animguase na mani pa although ebia nipa na fumo ba won se asem no kan won kan yi a afa asem no kan obi a so asem we dey we twa amana chia eno na 7% ba yes
okay ye dey enkomo didi no eba ye na wie ye afutu ben den na obetimi aka edi a che eye aposifo judge ne wo ma omote eye ensem no eso ne mfa yidwedi no ensi
me fraction me papa IGP me chiao me respect you so much but ebi o kra na wonnim ni aboys na ye no ni omo ye na me say enya right me emran minimum ye but me feel say whatever needs to be done well and yes say ye ka say ye go mi obi na police for sa we bi no do nim a me catch no obi create me hu girl na wo yere openinti no a share that the charges atoso na ya bechew e wo ho omo yes ade nda bia ye de we e share that obi bottom o se me sechew o wi a o se we ni e mahu wo mo nya ade na hu hia na me papa osu ben pa me pa chew ma we nya asua de e ma oni asofo ni nyina se wo ye nyame ni pa e no nche say you about the law ena nyame chi mu po no muntimi nka nyame chi mu po because enye sa no bo nipa ena pa chew ba bia bi hu hia pa mo because ma hu say ewiase ni na apo se nyame pe na obetimi agyew konkoto aduanim na so kire nyame na minim se nyame no a wo som no se oyo nyame a oye Abraham nyame dia obegyew manu ato
odifo msusu odifo ene every day we na ma show call ye is that members ever that wasi ebebe na ebusia for aha ene edi nkomotwetwe no ese wo hwe kwan a wo mde ye papa ye emfa so etweyi ana se etweyi waje ntwe no fabra ebebe to edwa ewe ye comment section like a videos na share on all the social media platforms so follow yen ewe ye IG page ene ye Twitter page @tumagh_media ene ekwia sikapa that's ne yebusan edi ehia ebi makram.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and you Too Much Multimedia College. If we say a band equipment apapa, a chair for a quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, the band media law, advertising, camera handling, and the marketing there. Elena Elena, location ewo Abeka Footpath Junction. Fanamba ne boasio, na wankasa frɛ. Memo bi andada wa na memo bi nkasa me frama wo. Wankasa frɛ, abati bi.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Local dishes, aduane bia, aduane pa bedidi.
Wa wo hwe nam na wele ye made bibia nam bia bi wo aha na Stephen Apia bedidi a ekọ viral no I would order aduane you are bringing it right there at your doorstep enti ye aduane pa fie mum na mo be aduane pa na ha na aduane papa wo ye wo East Legon boundary road opposite the self filling station.